As you approach the angle parking sensor marking, the tab will announce,
"This is the angle parking test."
you should position the vehicle close to the center line as much as possible. The duration of this test is 2 minutes, and the time starts when the right indicator is activated. Perform the safety checks. The first reference point is when the first parking line is seen beneath the right side mirror frame. Turn the steering wheel completely to the right and continue moving in slow motion. The second reference point is when the left inside corner becomes aligned with the top part of steering wheel, or the left side mirror frame aligns with the left yellow parking line. Rotate the steering wheel back to straight position and continue moving forward. The third reference point is when the white parking line comes beneath the driver's door handle as seen in the left side mirror, and stop the vehicle. Shift gear to neutral for manual or P position for automatic, and then apply the handbrake. The tab will announce,
"Exit from the parking bay."
to exit, select the reverse gear, release the handbrake, indicate to the right, perform the safety checks, and move out slowly until the left side mirror frame is aligned with the left yellow sideline. Turn the steering wheel completely to the right to exit from the parking lot.